Hey there, welcome back. So today we are bringing you another video on Realme Pad because the previous video that we made had few incorrect details, and that's okay as these are leaks and we cannot be 100% sure. But now we have more reports stating some different things which we are going to talk about in this video, so stay tuned and let's begin. First and foremost, the display. It was probably the most unexpected thing as far as the type of display is concerned. We thought we are going to get an LCD panel because of the mid-range specs, and also Xiaomi launched their Mi Pad 5 series which has LCD panel, and if you know these companies, they get inspired by each other's ideas and more often than not, the outcome is similar. So we had our reasons to believe that we would see LCD panel, but luckily that's not the case, and we are getting an AMOLED panel positioning this tablet above Xiaomi's Mi Pad 5, at least in display front. As for other specs, it's a 10.4-inch panel with a speculated 90Hz refresh rate. It is likely to offer stylus support and will be available in grey and gold color options. The Realme Pad is tipped to feature 4 speakers, the same as the regular Mi Pad 5, but not as impressive as the Mi Pad 5 Pro and its 8 speakers. The rumor mill is yet to reveal the processor of the Realme Pad, but speculation leans towards a Snapdragon 768G at the moment. It will be paired with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, along with multiple RAM and storage options. About battery, we already know from a previous certification listing that a 7100 mAh battery will be offered, and this source confirms that. The Realme Pad will reportedly be equipped with a single 8MP shooter on the rear along with autofocus, and for selfie and video call there will be an 8MP front-facing snapper with fixed focus lens. As for connectivity, the tablet should offer support for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, a headphone jack and a Type-C port. It is speculated that the tablet will be available in Wi-Fi only and Wi-Fi plus LTE variants and shall be priced starting at Rs 23,000. So this tablet with its AMOLED panel, a fairly powerful processor, quad speakers, 3.5mm headphone jack and hopefully a stylus support with a price tag of Rs 23,000 makes this one of the best tablets for media consumption, playing games at mid settings and for online classes, although the cameras won't be that good. With that said, this video was a small update on the previous one and many such videos are on its way. So subscribe, and that's it for today. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.